this room and I explain in detail mana I beli barang-barang ni semua.
Hi everyone, I'm Ka's sister Sarah. So for today's video, I'm gonna be the one who's gonna be doing the voiceover because Ka's literally begged to me and asking if I could do it because she just hates talking. Even for the previous video, she took so many takes and took so long, so I thought I should help her. So, as we promised in the previous video, we will be explaining on where do we got all of this stuff in details and which shop and how much does it cost. Enjoy! This is actually a really old clock that we already have from our house, and it's from IKEA. It's silver in color and we spray painted it black just so that it would match the aesthetic of the room. Moving forward, now we have this beautiful tall green plant that we got from IKEA. It's only for 34 ringgit. And together we also bought a vase or a plant pot for 49 ringgit 90 cent, also from IKEA. And we use this just to use up all the vertical space that the room has. And then we also got this rail because our mom requested so that we could have somewhere to, she could have somewhere to place her telekong. So we used this rail from IKEA too. Moving forward, so these three pieces of art are actually made by me, as you can see in the video, but the frame itself we got it from IKEA and we just took off the back part so that it looks more minimalistic and more chic. And as you can see, I was trying to incorporate a lot of a very strong yet dark color tone in the arts. And this TV is something that we already have, and the glass table underneath it is from IKEA too. As you can see at the bottom, there's a very fluffy white throw blanket that we got from KAISON, and then we put it in a rattan kind of basket that we got from IKEA. This is actually Ka's favorite spot of the room. She loves this gigantic mirror that she got from Deco Concept Malaysia, and it is actually an Instagram shop. And this is also where we bought the carpet and also the bed frame, which I will be explaining in details later. We also put a kind of like a big stand lamp just to accentuate the area more, and when we open the lights, it's very beautiful. And then we also got this plant and vase from IKEA too. Moving forward, this is now my favorite spot. So you got this beautiful gold lamp called Barometer from IKEA. It's a table lamp. And then we also put a yellow sunflower because our mom loves it. And this vase is actually from IKEA too. It comes in a set of 3. The other 2 is besides the TV. We got this frame from SHOPEE, super cheap. And you could put like any pictures that you want. And this is my favorite piece, which is the clock, or the alarm clock from IKEA. But my sister hates it. As for the table, this is also from IKEA. There's so many things from IKEA. It's only 89 ringgit. I think it's one of the cheapest table. It only comes in white, so we had to spray paint it black. If you want to see how we do it, go to our previous video, okay? Now, Kas is obsessed with these fluffy rugs. I don't really like it, but but I love this rattan chair. It comes in black, and we also had to buy the kind of like a cushion on top of it. Now moving forward, so this bedsheet is from IKEA. We got it in a single size together with the mattress, and as I said before, this beautiful Kate Spade inspired bed frame is from Deco Concept Malaysia Instagram shop. Initially, we are looking for something that are kind of like a French door style inspired, but this is the closest that we could get. It's actually a bookshelf from Billy Collection in IKEA. For both the smaller cabinet and the big one, we decided to change the doorknob into gold doorknob just so that it would accentuate the black more, and it just looks nice and fits the room better as opposed to just a black doorknob. Now, this is a very old picture and frame that we already have in the house. So what we did is just basically we spray painted it into black just so that it would fit the room better. If you want to see how we do it, go to the previous video where we did the makeover and you can see how, okay? Inside the cabinet, there's nothing much inside. We try to keep it very simple and clean. So as you can see that on the top part, we got this basket from SHOPEE, I think. We put some scarf, and then there's an artwork made by our beloved niece. She drew it herself. And then these fake books, we got it from Tinklewave. They have a selection of fake book that you could put. It's just so beautiful. This we got from SHOPEE. I couldn't find the link anymore, and this is just something as an accessory that writes faith, hope, and love. Basically, we just put like some tissues, some racks, some table runner inside the cabinets underneath this, and yeah, that's it. As for the shorter cabinets, we put a lot of sajada, praying mats, some yasin, some Quran, some tasbih, and I think that's it. Yeah. So to be quick, this fern and the vase come from IKEA. It's super cheap. And then we also got this gold accessory placer from SHOPEE. Okay, so that's it. We already explained every single details on where we got all of this stuff. I hope you guys enjoy. We see you in the next video.